Hi everyone, my name is Gabi and I'm from Shoppers Drug Mart. I have created this beautiful glowy look for my mom with a little bit of edge, so I hope you enjoy.
Thank you. I love you.
I really like this concealer for my mom because it's super hydrating. So I'm just gonna apply it using stippling motions. And I like to pat it with my fingers just because the warmth actually helps just get into those little crevices. So we're gonna bake, Mom. We're not baking cookies though. So I'm using a translucent powder to set underneath the eye area, and you just leave it on for a few seconds and then brush off the excess. My next step is gonna be her eyes. So I'm gonna put this nice cool brown color on her crease. Then I work into the outer V and I'm gonna drag it down to the bottom. Next, I'm gonna add a darker color into the V and drag it all the way in. So my mom has really small eyes. Well, not that small, but I like to use a smaller dome brush just like this one. It helps with precision. So I'm applying a rose gold shade all over her lid and then a darker tone along the lash line. It's gonna give it a softer look, kind of like an eyeliner, but without having to use a pencil. Next, I'm applying a really good volumizing mascara, and I'm gonna be adding some natural lashes on her. So now I'm gonna actually add a pop of blue in the inner corner, just because my mom likes blue, and she wants to be daring today. So why not? Next, we're gonna contour with a semi-matte bronzer. So just suck in your cheeks a little bit, Mom. And then we're gonna just start from the hairline all the way down. So this highlighter is my mom's favorite, so I'm gonna add it on top of her cheekbones. A little bit on the tip of her nose. And I'm gonna apply blush on the apples of her cheeks. Next, I'm gonna use this nice nude color just to finish her look. Do you like it?
Wow, I did it. Happy. So beautiful.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank
Bye.
you, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.